My name is Ian Landsborough. I run an accountancy practice called Landsborough Accounting and have done for about 20 years now. I cover all sorts of basic annual accounts that I do for a large number of clients, about 100, most of them limited companies, but I also do a lot of bookkeeping work for about half of the clients as well. Before I started using Keebo, the basic bookkeeping process I had in place required me to obtain as much information as I could from the clients, which included invoices, bank statements, check stubs, etc. But the biggest problem was actually putting together all the invoices they'd sent me and making sure that everything was put in the right order and filed correctly and put away. One thing that Keebo assists with is that by having a third party I can send all the invoices to, it completely eradicates what otherwise takes up an awful lot of time going through every single invoice and filtering it into the right place. The way it works now is I just send this information as I receive it from the client directly onto Keebo, and then when I look through the information I receive, I can assess much more quickly what I have and haven't, or more importantly, receive from the clients. One of my clients that I can think of off the top of my head had two directors, and both of them had expense accounts, and both of them used to use the company credit card every month in the region of 100 transactions for each of the directors, and reconciling their director expense account every month used to take me a very long time. Now using Keebo, I'm in a position where I can send off all these little receipts. Obviously, one of the advantages of using Keebo is it just allows me to let them input everything on the system for me. Which works to my advantage with certain customers certain clients that have statements of account with suppliers, because once it's on the system with Keebo, I can then go through a report of Keebo and tie that up with what's on the statement of account. And also on top of that, a lot of clients do send me information by internet, by PDF, and obviously then it gets onto Keebo even quicker and I don't really need to do anything, even post it, it's just instant. The speed with which everything's done, rather than spending hours or days entering all the information myself, I basically just send it off to Keebo and it's done instantly. The absence of any data entry on my part, because obviously Keebo will be doing all of that for me, and I just need to send the information off to them, and then once it's on the system I draw down the report and that's it really.